In this video, I want to share with you how I go about stipple shading within Procreate. Yes, that is correct. We are able to practice our stipple shading within Procreate. Stipple shading is essentially shading with a series of dots that we layer up to accomplish shading, whether it's going to be textured shading or smooth stipple shading. The first thing that I'm going to need to do is create a brush within Procreate that mimics dot work like stippling. To do that, we're going to go through a series here of some quick steps. We're going to go ahead and hit this brush right here. So once we hit the brush icon, it's going to bring out our brush library. What we're going to want to do is hit this plus icon right here, which brings up the brush studio. This allows us to manipulate our brushes to meet our wants and needs as the artist. From here, we're going to adjust these settings as you see me doing here. So I'm going to be on stroke path. I'm going to switch the spacing all the way up to 70 even, like so, and that's going to control the spacing between each dot. So you're going to notice if I go back this way, we have a line, but if I space it out, now we're getting more into stipple territory with these dots. So that's going to be it for this stroke path right here. The next tab, I'm going to move over to stabilization. With stabilization, I'm going to go to streamline the amount. I'm going to go all the way up to the max, and then from here I'm going to want to go ahead and leave everything else the way that it is. I'm going to leave everything alone there. I'm going to navigate to taper right here, and this is where I'm going to focus on this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit link tip sizes, and I'm actually going to bring these in right here. I'm actually going to discontinue that, and I'm going to bring this one out and then this one a little bit. So the beginning taper is a little bit smaller than this taper right here. And then the size right here is going to go to the max. And the pressure as well is going to be all the way up to the max. The next thing that we're going to want to do is come down here to dynamics. Within dynamics, I'm going to take the size all the way up to max and the opacity as well all the way up to max. The last thing that I'm going to do is go over to the Apple Pencil tab, and then from here I'm going to go to opacity all the way up to max. You want to make sure that that is at max as well. These are the settings that I'm going to be using to create a stipple brush. From here you can go ahead and put your name here, type out the specific details of your brush, and then I'm going to hit done right here, and you can see that this has dots right here now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this essentially works. Come over here, I'm going to add an extra layer. I'm going to come back and I selected my dot brush. So you're going to see that it's now doing dots, but these are pretty big. I need these dots to be smaller. All I have to do is just simply adjust the size right here, and you can see now I have stipple shading going on. It is touch sensitive, so if I press down light, it's not dark. If I press down darker, it's fully saturated. So it is touch sensitive, and you can see the taper there. If we don't like any of these settings, like let's say if this part is a little bit too big for us, then we can go and take that taper in a little bit higher, or bring the size down like this to something that's a little bit more practical, because when we do stippling, it's always typically a series of small dots like this. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are going to need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video. From here, what I can now do is, here is a rose that I have. So for example, let's say a client wanted this design right here, and I want to map out my shading. I can go ahead and add a new layer. You can see that. I'm going to select a black color here to kind of mimic shading with black ink. Now what I can do is begin stippling the exact same way that I would with a needle And I'm just gonna simply layer up my shades, and you can see that each whip that I create is whipping out the way that stipple shading works, and then the dots are also showing up just fine as well. And not only that, this is also going to help me with my technique a little bit. This is also going to help me get more familiar with where I'm going to be placing my shading placements while I'm tattooing. And that is how we can go about stipple shading within Procreate. It comes down to the brush that we are using. And that's what really gives us that sort of stipple effect. We have to be using a dotted brush, like you see me doing here. Now, if you don't like these specific settings, or they're not behaving in a manner that you like, then you can go ahead and adjust the settings as needed to compensate and to suit your wants and needs from your brushes. But for a basic dot work brush, something that's super simple to create, this is a really good brush to start with, and you kind of fine tune it and tweak it to your liking over time. And you can see I'm just gradually layering up these shades here. And then I would essentially repeat this all throughout the design until I'm happy with the results that I got. I can even come over here and go anywhere that I want, and then just simply work on the placements and how I'm going to map out the shading, how I'm going to approach it. This right here can transfer over to the design when we actually tattoo with the needle. So for example, the area that I'm shading like this, chances of me shading it like this with the needle are very, very high, especially if I get good results. And I'm just going to repeat this all throughout. So you can see the idea of stippling within Procreate is 110% possible. As you can see, if I zoom in, it is nothing but dot work making up all of these shadings right here. You can see that it is 110% possible to stipple shade within Procreate. This is a fantastic technique for developing our stencils and creating them in a manner that we want to use our stencils. That'll be it for this one. This is a great place to conclude this video. Should you have any questions at all about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'm going to be doing my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate you, your time, and your support. Have a great day. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and why's along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you.